Hello everyone, introduce myself. My name is Dea Salsabila. I'm from Medan State University, Faculty of Science, majoring in Physics, PESP 2022 class. Well guys, what kind of graphics are very good media? I'm explaining about good media graphics. The first, authentic. The picture must honestly depict the situation as if people saw the actual object. Second, simple. The graphic composition showed clearly so the main points in the picture. Second, relative size. Picture or photos can enlarge or minimize the actual object or actual object. If the picture or photo has never been seen by the child, it is difficult to imagine how big the object or object is. To avoid this, should be in the picture or photo there are familiar children so that it can help him imagine the picture. The four photographic image should contain motion or action. Good pictures or photo do not show in a state of silence but show certain activity. 5. Good pictures are not necessarily good for achieving learning objective. Although a grammar or photo of students' own work is often better than a good picture. For this reason, graphics should be appropriate to the material and age level of the child. The last, not all good pictures are good media. As a good media, image should be good from an artistic point of view and in accordance with the learning objective to be safe. Because not all pictures that are good become good media. Next slide explain about graph of x to t and v to t for t equal 0 with t equal 3. On this slide, there is a table to determine the results of the graph form which we have seen for ourselves the graph that has been formed. Okay, next slide explain about graph of position change against time. Where in the table that we have previously formed in Excel, the two columns containing time and position produce a curved graphic shape. The next slide explains about force versus time graph. Where there is time data and data generated from x equal 2.225 meters, m equal 4 kilograms, force equal 2 meter second t2 squared. So from the data table, a graph is produced as shown in the pictures. Okay guys, next explain about parabolic motion x and y, where x is v0 point cos theta point t, y is v0 point sin theta point t min 1/2 point g point t 2 squared. v0 equal 20 meter second, theta equal theta equal 30 g equal 10 meter second 2 squared. And the table show data t, x, and y, where from the data that has been mentioned, two graphs are formed, namely x, y, and a graph of y against t. Next, here explain about time to displacement graph. It is known from the data table that time is 0 to 2. It is also known that the data, for example, SM is student mileage and SM equal 90. SE is distance traveled AD, where SE equal 0.45T2 squared plus 40. So from the data in the table, a graph like this is formed. And next, explain about graph of the relationship between speed and time, where there is already numerical data in the table which forms a straight graph. And the last one, explain wave graphs. Here where the data is width, lambda, k, amplitude, omega, t to form a graph as shown on this slide. Okay, well, that's all my explanation about graphic media. If there's anything missing, I apologize, and I hope it's useful. Thank you, guys.